Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Ian, and welcome to a special pack opening video. So I managed to get a hold of a couple of the Neo 2 Japanese packs today, and so we are going to be opening 23 of these, and they all came from the same box, from what I could tell, and then the guy I bought them from said he opened a few. But he didn't pull Dark Raichu or Umbreon. He said he pulled a few Espeons, but hopefully in this video we can pull one of those or maybe both. So let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna do a pack trick or anything. I'm just gonna go ahead and show the foil because I don't want to damage any of the cards or anything like that. So we'll go ahead and get this right open. Hopefully we can get some cool stuff. There we go. All right, so we are starting this video off really strong. We got a sweet Tyranitar. Oh my gosh, that card is gorgeous. So I'm gonna put this to the side real quick, and then I'm just gonna go really quick through the commons, and just so you guys can see them. I'm not gonna name them all off. So, and then we're gonna go ahead and sleeve the Tyranitar up. Looks like he's in some very good shape. Thankfully, Japanese cards are usually a little bit more well preserved just because of the quality that they were made in. So really excited about that, and great way to start off this pack opening. So just a little bit for you guys, maybe if you don't know, so Neo 2 is the equivalent, I believe, of Neo Discovery in English for us. And so it had the Espeon and Umbreon cards, and as you saw, the Tyranitar in it. But Dark Raichu is actually not supposed to be, or is supposed to be in this set, but not for us in English. It was an error for our Team Rocket. So we got a Houndoom, another really nice looking card. Very excited about that. And then we'll go through these commons here now. And also, you get a foil in every pack, so that makes these Japanese packs pretty desirable, and also why they're a little bit more expensive. But it's really nice to be able to pull foils out of every pack. So, and that guy looks to be in very good shape, just like the Tyranitar was. So we got him sleeved up. All right, next pack. So, really excited to be doing this. I don't think I've ever actually opened any of this set in Japanese. I did manage to open Neo 3, so hopefully someday I'll be able to get some more Neo 3 or Neo 1 and Neo 4 for you guys to open up on camera. All right, so we got Poliwrath. Very nice looking foil there. And commons. Okay, sleeve you up. Next pack. All right, what we got? Hey, wow, another Espeon. Very cool. So this box must have been pretty nice if he had already pulled out a couple of Espeons. So, but generally, you usually should be able to get like, I want to say 5 or 6 of each foil, because these boxes, I think, had like 60 packs or something insane. So very nice. I'll probably get this graded too, even though I have a Black Label one already. Maybe I'll get another Black Label for this. I've always really liked this Espeon card, and glad to actually pull one on my own. So very cool. All right, back to back. We got Espeon and Umbreon. Very nice. All right, put him to the side real quick. I'll show off the commons, and then I'm gonna sleeve him up, and we will take a look at him again. So, yeah, looks really sharp. I don't see any damage on corners or edges, and hopefully that centering is really all that's left to go into being a black label, because everything else should be a pristine 10 on this card. So I'm very excited for this. If I can get a black label Umbreon and Espeon, I'll be super happy. So I think I'm going to try... Maybe I'll be able to get all these graded eventually. I'm definitely going to do the Umbreon, the Espeon, the Tyranitar, and the Houndoom, and depending on what else I pull, we'll see. Maybe I can get, if I can pull the whole foil set, that would be really nice. I don't really expect to, but you never know. And we get another Tyranitar. Well, we definitely have a shot now at getting a black label on him, since we have two. And we got Almanite, Caterpie, Natu, and I think Xatu, Weedle, Corsola, Bulber. Sorry, I'm like too excited about pulling the Umbreon. I'm kind of forgetting all the other Pokemon's names, but again, there's that sweet Tyranitar. Man, that thing looks so awesome. All right. And we have, ooh, Smeargle. Very cool. Very sharp looking. I love the foil pattern on that. That looks so nice. Very good looking card right there. And we got our commons. There's the Smeargle again for everyone. All sleeved up. All right, so another Umbreon. I will gladly take that. This is definitely one of the most sought-after cards in this set, and very pretty to boot, so I'm really excited about pulling that again. Even though they're doubles, I mean, they're good doubles, so I'll take it. So, there we go. Umbreon number 2. Move some of these packs out of the way. All right. I haven't really been keeping track, but we still have... We're almost done with the first stack, and then we have another whole stack to go, so... Still exciting, and lots of stuff to come with it. I'm just kind of like destroying this pack right here. Alright, so... Just trying to be as careful as I can. Alright, Tyranitar number 3. At least we're pulling my more favorite Pokemon, so I'm okay with that. I would like to maybe get something here a little different so I can show you guys something else that's in this set. Tyranitar number 3. So that's kind of what's nice about these boxes. If you can get them sealed, you will definitely pull the majority, if not all of the set in doubles. So, but that is also what makes them so expensive. So we got another Houndoom. Very pretty card there. And the commons. I think actually it can kind of be harder to pull some of the non-foils than the actual foils themselves, since you pull so many duplicate foils out of these. Houndoom. Alright, what we got? Oh, very nice. Kabutops. Man, this card looks so good. Oh, wow. I love that blue on that card. Man. All right. Can't wait to sleeve that guy up. And our commons. So, very nice. Man, that thing looks awesome. Also, I'm recording on my iPhone now because my other camera died, but I may actually try and use this a little bit more. This seems to be a little bit better on the quality. So. All right, what we got? Boom. Wobbuffet. All right, something new. Very nice foil right there. Like that a lot. Seems to be that we keep getting a majority of the same non-foils and commons, but that's okay. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 packs to go. Sweet. Fortress, very cool. Another new card that we haven't seen yet. So very good looking right there. Larvitar, I don't know if we pulled that one yet. Get this guy sleeved up. There we go. Very nice. I really actually want to pull the Houndour foil too. I really like how that card looks, so hopefully we can get that guy. Oh, we got another Fortress, and this one actually, I think has, yeah, this one looks like the pack was a little beat up on it. Oh well, that's okay. We do have one other one. Go ahead and, yeah, you can see it right there, all in there. That's okay. All right, next one. And we got a Poliwrath. So I think that's our second Poliwrath we've pulled now. Move him over there. Woo. And we got another Houndoom. All right. Alright, clean some of this out of the way. There we go. Alright, there is Houndoom, I think number 3 or 4. There we go. We got the Houndour. Very nice, sharp looking card. Very cool. Glad to pull him. There you go. And commons. All right, another Smeargle. He's all sleeved up. Oh yeah, Ursaring. I forgot he was in this. Very cool. Sharp looking card right there. There we go, all sleeved up. Hitmontop, very cool. Looks like he's in good shape as well. Perfect. again. Oh, well, back to back. Got him on top again. There you go. All right, so we have 2 more packs. And we get Raichu or Scizor. Oh, well, got Scizor. Very nice. Very good looking card as well. Man, that thing looks awesome in foil. Okay. There's the Scizor foil. All right, guys, last pack. Oh, and a Wobbuffet. Nice. That's a pretty funny way to end it. And we got our commons. Okay, so I'm going to sleeve him up. And then we are going to show him off. And I'm going to showcase everything that we pulled out of here real quick. Okay, so just to recap real quick, we got 2 Wobbuffets, an Ursaring, 1 Scizor, 2 Fortress, Kabutops, 2 Hitmonchan, 2 Poliwrath, 2 Smeargle, 3 Houndooms, 1 Houndour, 3 Tyrantars, 2 of the Umbreon, and 1 Espeon. So not too bad. I'm really excited with my pulls. I pretty much got everyone I wanted. I just got to go get a Dark Raichu now. But I know there was a couple foils that I think we were missing. I know we didn't pull the Butterfree or the Beedrill. There may be a few other ones I don't remember off the top of my head. But other than that, very exciting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I can get some more older stuff to open like this for you guys. And if you like what you see, or if you have any questions or want to comment, feel free to. Take care, guys.